Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send queued mail inside Gmail. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just start. Alright guys, if you're having issues with your mail inside your Gmail account that it's stuck in queued, make sure to double check your internet connection. So make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, or if that doesn't work, switch over to cellular data. That may fix the problem. Another way you can fix this problem is to long click on Gmail and then click on the I button next to it. And then what you want to do is head down to storage and you want to clear the cache and then head back into your Gmail and see if that email has sent. And a third way you can do it is simply to head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for Gmail. And make sure Gmail is updated to the latest version. As you can see, my Gmail isn't. So if I go ahead and click on update, this will go ahead and update Gmail, and that could possibly fix the issue. If that all else fails, go ahead and restart your phone and try it again. All right, that's 3 solutions how to fix your issue. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.